Ever found yourself a few bucks short, staring at an empty register, with that one thing you really need right there in your hand? Maybe a coffee to kickstart your day, or that last-minute grocery run. And then, the dreaded thought hits: overdraft fees. Yikes! Well, what if I told you there's a way to avoid that financial heartburn? Enter SpotMe, a feature offered by Chime. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. SpotMe is essentially a fee-free overdraft service. It's like having a tiny financial safety net. When you're running low on funds, SpotMe can help cover those small, everyday purchases. No more red-faced moments at the checkout. But how does Chime decide if you qualify? Well, it's all about trust. The more you use your Chime account for direct deposits, the higher your chances of getting approved for SpotMe. Think of it like building credit, but for overdraft protection. Once you're in the SpotMe club, you get a limit. This limit varies based on your account activity. It's like a personal overdraft allowance. Use it wisely, and you'll likely see that limit grow over time. Now, here's the kicker: SpotMe isn't a loan. It's more like a short-term cash advance. The money you overdraw is automatically deducted from your next qualifying direct deposit. No hidden fees, no surprises. So, how do you use it? Simple. Just make a purchase like normal. If your balance is low, SpotMe kicks in to cover the difference. It's that easy. But remember, SpotMe isn't a magic money tree. It's a tool to help you manage unexpected expenses. It's not meant to be a lifestyle. Consistent overdrafts can impact your SpotMe limit or even your eligibility. So, to recap, SpotMe is a fee-free overdraft service offered by Chime. It's based on trust and account activity. You get a limit, you use it wisely, and the money is automatically repaid with your next direct deposit. But remember, while SpotMe is a fantastic tool, it's important to manage your finances responsibly. Over-reliance on any financial product can lead to trouble. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.